What's up, everybody? This is G, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the could not connect outdated client error on Minecraft. This is super easy, so I'm going to walk you guys right through it, and let's get started. So first things first, you're going to want to open up the Minecraft launcher. Once the Minecraft launcher is open, you're going to want to go up here to the tab that says Installations. You want to click that, and then you're going to want to click New Installation. And you're going to want to make sure that the version that you're running it on is the latest release. So you're going to click that. And you can even name it. So I'll call it latest release. And you could choose whatever icon. So let's do a emerald block. We'll click create. And then you want to go to the play tab. And now right before you launch the game, you want to hit the drop down. And you want to make sure the latest release is selected. Now, when you try to join the server, you'll be on the correct version of Minecraft and you won't get the error. So there you go. It's that easy. If this video helped you guys out, make sure you drop a like, drop in the comments anything you want to see from us next, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.